Unraveling the phrase, "Let's catch up soon," a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very common English phrase that you might hear in casual conversations. Let's catch up soon. This phrase is packed with warmth and friendliness, but what does it actually mean? And when can you use it? Stay tuned as we explore the nuances of this popular expression, helping you to use it confidently in your English conversations. The phrase, "Let's catch up soon," is used when someone wants to suggest meeting another person to talk and learn about what has happened in each other's lives since they last met. It implies that there has been a gap in communication or physical meetings, and there's a desire to reconnect and update each other on life events, feelings, or news. Key components. Let's suggests a proposal or invitation. Catch up refers to the exchange of recent news or events between the individuals. Soon indicates the intention to make this happen in the near future, though it's often quite flexible in terms of the actual timing. You can use "let's catch up soon" in various scenarios, primarily in informal settings among friends, family, or close colleagues. Here are some situations where this phrase is perfectly suited. Reconnecting with old friends, when you run into someone you haven't seen for a while. Ending a conversation, as a way to express the desire to continue the interaction at another time. Following up on social media, when commenting on a friend's post that you haven't interacted with recently. It's a versatile phrase that conveys a genuine interest in the other person's life, making it a powerful tool for maintaining and nurturing relationships. Understanding the cultural context behind "let's catch up soon" can also enhance your communication skills. In many English-speaking cultures, this phrase goes beyond a simple invitation. It's a warm gesture of care and interest. However, it's also worth noting that sometimes people use it as a polite conclusion to a conversation without a strong intention of immediate follow-up. Therefore, the context and the relationship between the people involved are crucial in interpreting its true intent. To use "let's catch up soon" effectively, consider these tips. Be sincere. Only use it if you genuinely want to know more about the other person's life. Follow up. If you propose catching up, try to initiate plans afterward to show you were serious. Be flexible. Understand that "soon" can be subjective, so be open to scheduling that works for both parties. We hope this guide helps you understand and use "let's catch up soon" more confidently in your English conversations. This phrase is a wonderful way to express interest in others' lives and keep your relationships vibrant and strong. Remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about connecting with people and cultures. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.